Hello and welcome to TKs Bar. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a Negroni variation. Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. As you can see, for those of you who have been watching my videos before, I've upgraded from the kitchen. I finally have my own little bar over here, so welcome officially to TK's Bar. Today, we're gonna be making a very cool drink. I first saw this on Booze on the Rocks' channel. I'll leave his channel linked up here if you wanna check it out. You definitely should. He made a Negroni Sbagliato, which I'm probably saying that word wrong, I'm very sorry. But he made that cocktail, the original recipe, and he said that I'd probably really like it if I substituted the Aperol for Campari. So that's what we're trying today. So obviously this is a variation of a Negroni and then a variation of a Negroni Sbagliato. So if you think a Negroni is normally Sweet Vermouth, gin, and Campari. And so we're substituting the gin for our Prosecco or sparkling wine, and then the Campari obviously for the Aperol, like I've already said. And this is a super easy cocktail, obviously only the 3 ingredients. You could build this in the glass if you wanted to. I got this little mixing jar that I've never used, and so I really want to use it. So I'm gonna be using this and then putting it into the glass afterwards, but that's an extra step that you don't need to take. So let's get straight into it. So starting with our Sweet Vermouth, we're gonna do 1 ounce of this. You could always raise these measurements or lower them if you wanted. Well, maybe not lower them. You could always raise these measurements. I know that Booze on the Rocks, when he did his video, he did 2-ounce pour of each. That's a little more drink than I need right now, so I'm only gonna do 1 ounce. Then we're doing 1 ounce of our Aperol. Then 1 ounce of our Prosecco. I'm using Marca Prosecco right now. Sorry, I meant to say Prosecco or sparkling wine, whatever you want. Then we're just gonna throw some ice in here and give it a quick stir. Then grab your glass full of ice, and we're just gonna strain this into our glass. Then I've gone and grabbed, actually made a pretty fancy orange peel here. But I went and I've got an orange peel. I'm just gonna express the oils out of this into our little cocktail and then just throw this on the side like that. Last thing we have to do is just give this a little taste. Oh my God, that's so good. So let me preface this by saying I really don't like Negronis. They're a great cocktail, they're awesome, they are not for me at all. And I would say that if you're someone who doesn't like Negronis either, I would definitely try this because it's sweeter. There's a little tiny bit of carbonation from that sparkling wine, which is kind of nice. It feels a lot lighter. It doesn't feel, well, I haven't had a Negroni in a while, so I'm not gonna compare the taste because I can't even remember what it tastes like. I just know that I don't like it. But this is really nice. You definitely get the taste of the Sweet Vermouth, the taste of the Aperol. Marca's pretty dry, so if you wanted to make it even sweeter, you could probably add a bit more of a sweeter sparkling wine. But honestly, with the Marca, I think this tastes amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna give it another taste. Yeah, but this is really good. And also, it's got a nice evolution. You know, it's not, normally I'm drinking and like making like really sweet, like mojitos and margaritas and stuff like that. I don't normally make cocktails like this, but I am very pleasantly surprised by this one. So yeah, this was definitely a bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to try this out and show you guys the new bar setup. If you have any recommendations on, like, I'm gonna get some artwork on the sides maybe, and maybe switch out these plants, I don't know yet. But if you have any interior design recommendations for my little bar, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, and if you try this drink, definitely let me know in the comments below. Big shout out to Booze on the Rocks. You should definitely go check out his channel. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. And other than that, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.